Hi, Team Monarchs. My name is Vicki Cheney. I am the science teacher on the team. This will be my 20th year teaching 8th grade science. Seems absolutely impossible. My family tells me I'm quite the science geek. So anytime you would like to share anything sciencey with me, I would truly love that. A couple of things about me. First of all, I am also a Park Hill graduate, and my three sons also graduated from Park Hill. So I take great pride in being able to teach for the district. Although I grew up in Kansas City, I got to spend every summer, or almost every summer, up in northern Minnesota. I have a picture of the family cabin included on the slide. My dad also taught me how to fish when I was really young, so I love to be able to go fishing with him. You can also tell by all the pictures that family is very important to me. I love spending time with my friends and my family, although with COVID, I have not been able to spend as much time with them. I have three sons, like I mentioned, but I also have four grandchildren. I have two granddaughters and I have two grandsons. This spring, my youngest son will be getting married, and so I will get another daughter-in-law, and I'm really looking forward to that. I am also looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you this school year. Although this is quite a unique school year, I'm sure we are still going to be able to have fun. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to email me, or you may call and leave a message. I will try to get back to you just as soon as possible. That should be 24 to 48 hours, depending on the day that you leave the message or email me. Again, I hope that we have a fantastic year. I'm really looking forward to it. See you soon.